Hey everyone, we keep rolling on 2023 Wave 1 updates. This one is pretty simple. I think it's so important to cover it because it has been the reason why people haven't used attachments before. Now I think there's a good reason to use that. So basically if you have, let's say, a general journal and you're putting in, let's say it's a purchase journal. And the type is vendor. It's an invoice for, let's say, $1,000. And the balancing account is some other account. So on this line here in the purchase journal, you can attach, and you could have done this before, you can attach a document on here. Now, if you then post, it didn't go where the posting went, which obviously was not great. And there's a ton of add-on vendors out there that deal with this, and there's a lot been written around making this actually work, but out of the box we didn't have that. Now, when you post, and obviously this will hit vendor, ledger entries, and it will hit GL entries. Those entries, the vendor ledger entry and the GL entry, now will contain a connection to the attached document. So basically the connection to the attachments follow. And that's of course what we want. And now it works. So kudos to Microsoft for fixing that one. Let's take a look at it.
A purchase invoice, and this is going to be for freight, so it's going to be Maersk. Pick that over here. There we go. And just GL, pretty simple stuff. Cost of freight for $5,000. And now I have attachments up here. So I want to go ahead and add an attachment. So I'll just click on here, attach files, and I have an invoice for Maersk. I'll just drop it here. Now it is in, and I'll close it out. So the big deal here is when we actually go ahead and post this, we put it under invoice number and post. It posted. Whoops. Oh. Let me go ahead and fix that. How lucky was I that I actually hit the exact number I had used before. All right, now it's posted. And if I now go into posted purchase invoices to take a look at this particular invoice that I just finished, it's right here. And I have the attachment flowing along with it. So if I go in here, we have the image, same image I just attached, actually connected. So this is really great that it actually is posting through. Of course, it seems pretty straightforward and intuitive, and yes, we now finally have it.
Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something. If you want to know more about Inecta, all the links are in the description. And don't forget to subscribe.